Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. So, papunta na kami sa Grand Hyatt Hotel kasi dun gaganapin yung 2019 Honda Dealer Convention ni Honda Philippines. So, lahat ng mga dealership pupunta sila doon. So, mag-a-attend kami lahat. And then, nandun na rin si Civic RS na 2019 at saka si Brio RS, naka-display sila. So, papakita ko yun sa mga susunod na video. Keep on watching guys! So, andito na kami guys sa hotel na pag-stayan namin. So, ito, free accommodation lahat ni Honda Philippines. So, ayan. So, Grand Hyatt Manila sa BGC. So, let's go. So, paakyat na kami sa taas para mag-check-in. Ayan. So, tapos na kami mag-register. So, ito yung room namin, 4720. So, yan, 47th floor, guys. Ang taas. Ping Ping, say hi. Hi. Dala, makaklak na ako.
Hindi, makaklak ko. Chuta si Babo.
So, goal.
Side, dalawa na lang.
Floor namin is 47. Scary. Yung room namin. Powder room. Mirror. Muffin. So, ayan, shower. Kakit ni bathtub na kadate. So, ito isa. Ayan. Then, mirror. Mirror. Then, closet. So, mirror. Ito yung bed. So, nice. So, lahat to free accommodation ng Honda Philippines. Natin yung view. Ayan. Sobrang taas. So, medyo at first hesitant kaming mag-attend kasi nga, di ba yung mga nangyayari din doon. So, keep safe guys. Pray lang. So, magaganda kong mga colleague.
Pagilising kayo?
Gul? Baka lamigin ka, Gul?
Hindi, wala lang.
Upload kayo ni YouTube ba? Tala, may aklak ko?
Mga kayo.
So, anong masasabi mo lang?
Nabibingi ako.
Oh, baby. So, we're here. So, yan. Paparegister na kami para sa event for tonight. Kalaga. May tanong. Hintay lang namin si Ma'am Emmy and then si Vivian. Binili namin. So, yun yung mamaya, yun yung mga pagkain. Nahinanda ni Grand Hyatt Hotel. Siyempre, sponsor ni Honda Philippines.
Rio.
Yearly kami. Bili namin ginagawa to sa Honda.
Hello po.
Na guys, yung 2019 Honda Brio 1.2 RS black top na variant. So, ito yung color na Phoenix Orange. So, i-review natin yun soon. Pag nagka-unit na kami sa dealership namin. Sa Honda Cars Angeles Card. So, ayan siya. Ka-facelift niya si mabili. Pero ang laki niya. Parang na rin siya. Parang Honda Jazz. Magkalapit na sila ng size. So, ayan. Wait niyo yung, yung video. Review niya to guys. Ito naman si 2019 Honda Civic RS 1.5 RS Turbo Navi CVT. So lumaki yung gulong niya. Before 17, ngayon 18 na siya. So hindi ko pa siya ma-check sa loob kung may nagbago ba o wala. But I will be uploading soon yung bagong 2019 Honda Civic. So keep on watching guys. And then ayan. Basta assured na i-update ko kayo lagi once na meron na kaming unit. So, ayan yung details niya. Ayan. So, simple rin sila. Chrome handle. Yung sa loob. Ayan. So, di ko siya masyadong makita. Ayan. Kasi display lang talaga sila. So, hindi namin sila mabuksan. So, ito si Brio. Ayan yung likuran niya. Ang ganda. Ito yung sa taas niyang black top. Ayan. So, excited na ako.
So, tulog na si Vivian. Ayan si Ma'am Jen. Ping! Ping! Mamemi! 4:30 pa lang. 6:30 pa lang mag-i-start. 21
For innovation in motoring with an array of products designed to deliver a one-of-a-kind driving experience. 2019 is no different as Honda once again revs up to bring the ultimate customer satisfaction.
Hands on
So, ayun ang commercial ni
The game changer. The sound the world makes when practical evolves and advancement begins. The everyday gives way to the amazing. It's a sound you make when you first lay eyes on what you immediately know you desperately want. Not just what you need. And again, when you realize you can actually have it. That's the sound of the end of compromise and the beginning of a new era for subcompacts. And when there are no words to describe just how awesome it all is, it's the only sound worthy of the car. Freedom.
I want to introduce myself. My name is Diane Medina, TV actress from GMA7 and TV host from People's Television Network and Radio Television Malacanang. So tonight, of course, we're not only going to celebrate the success and achievements of Honda Cars Philippines, but also this is a way of saying thank you to all our dear guests and of course our dealers who are here tonight. Please give yourselves a warm round of applause, everybody. It's really such an honor to be here tonight. I'm so happy and excited knowing that I am surrounded with people with so much passion in this kind of industry. I know we're all formal tonight, but I'd like to ask everybody, are you all excited? Come on everybody, I want to feel your energy. Are you all excited? Alright, tonight
si Mr. Noriyuki Takakura-san, President and General Manager ng Honda Cars Philippines.
Is made even better with refreshed exterior. It's even sportier than the previous design. The Civic market will surely be happier. Please capitalize on these two new models. Reach out to your customers and let them know of these two new models that can match their needs.
Yung mga salad, hindi ko nakuhanan ng video yung kanina sa pagkain namin kasi sobrang daming tao. So, ito lang. Masasabi ko lang masarap yung pagkain nila dito. Sa pasayin yung mga dessert.
Mango yan.
Okay, so tapos na nga yung 2019 Honda Dealer Con. So nagkaroon kami ng award na Honda Cars Angeles Clark Top in Dealer Sales Satisfaction Index. Second place kami. So yun lang guys. So i-upload ko soon yung Honda Brio tsaka yung Civic. Lalabas na nila yun. Thank you. Goodbye.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe!